Most of the time we've said north of the pier, and we're heading there slowly, but very slowly, but... Oh, there they are. Where? 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
3 o'clock.
Oh, there they are. Oh, wow.
Keep an eye out. I'm turning.
I told you I'd call and they'd come.
All right, keep an eye out. Yeah, you called them and they came.
Hi, guys.
All right, see if you see them.
Wow!
Nice. Almost got it on the camera.
Woo!
If the camera had been straight, we would have had it. I don't know if we got it or not.
There's one right in front of us. They like going against the waves. That's cool.
Yeah, they did. It is funny.
I'll tell you, here. He's right there. Right there. Oops.
He's right behind us.
He was right next to us.
Yeah.
I almost loosened it so much he fell around.
I'm gonna wait.
Wait, he's gonna catch up.
Yeah.
Let him catch up.
Alright. Oh, he was right over my shoulder. I didn't even know about it. Should I turn?
Dolphins! Dolphins!
Alright, I'm gonna turn.
Oh my goodness, he just jumped out!
Here we go. Turning
Like
the
Flipper.
With the boat. There you go.
Like Flipper. He's a real friendly guy.
That was good.
Oh, look you guys! Hi! Hi you guys! There's probably one over there too.
Yeah.
Oh, look, they're real playful today. Watch out, little Toots coming. They may follow him.
Yeah, they might.
Try and catch him again.
Yeah. Turn back around.
Whoa! I think I got it on,
Good.
hopefully.
Jump up.
It jumped straight
Oh,
up.
that's great. Keep the camera with fish.
With little Toots. Whoa!
All right.
I hope we're getting that. Woo. Wow, there's somebody out there. He's playful.
Yeah.
Okay, watch out. He's going to turn and circle and get the guy.
Yeah. Might pull him back. Oh no. Not yet.
Oh, he jumps the wake. Watch. Woo!
Let's see. See if he makes it.
Oh, there they go! There they go!
I can't turn fast enough to get him. He's in there. Run away.
Woo! Hi, buddies! Woo! Whoa, there they go.
They heading the other way?
They're right in front of the boat, their boat.
Okay. Turning then. You ready? We're gonna get... No, we're good.
They're right on the side of them.
Get your finger in front of the camera.
Careful.
Hello.
Hello. There's one way over there too.
I see 4 or 5 of them. See them?
Yeah,
I missed them.
I see him. Woo! right out there.
Almost straight into the wind. If you pedal, we can have a maybe. I'm not going to sail.
See if they get any in their wake. They getting any? There's a pod out there. There you go! Woo!
And it's 11 o'clock and 10 o'clock. The big, you can see the
Yeah, oh nice! Hi guys! Woo! Hi!
Young little guy. Alright.
I hear somebody.
Right over there.
Hi guys! Hi! Hi!
Yes, at least there's two of them right there. There they are. Hello. Oh, I understand. There they are.
Hi!
Find them.
Now they're there. There's one of them. Hi! 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 Hi guys! Hi guys! Watch out for the boat coming up. He's right at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Hi guys! Woo! Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Hello.
Wow! Hi guys! Hi!
They put the brakes on. They're going so slow. Eyeballing us. Turn on the left. Sail. Turn on the left. There you go.
Look out! Woo! Go for it, you guys! Watch out! Woo! Get it?
I don't know.
Nope.
Well, let's tell Steve you can do that. Find them out there. Go do it. Alright.
Now where'd they go? Maybe they did catch them.
They might have.
Turn around again.
Right? Okay, right turn it is. Here we go.
Turn.
Keep your eye on.
They're right in front of us.
Well, right was correct. Must have been right under our book.
Where'd they go?
Over there to the right.
Whoa! 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 Pretty cool! Woo! Woo!
There you go.
Look at him! Wow!
Yeah. About 4 of them.
That's got a small one with it. Smallest one. Aww.
Group behind us.
I know. Come on, buddies. hear
This is
you.
the best
I hear
place
you
to-
too.
Yeah, this is the best place to see them. I think we
Oh,
got a
he's
group of
right in
4
front
on
of
our
us.
left. There we go, coming right at us. There's one coming the other way. We're right in them. Right there.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh!
That's great. Oh yeah. All right.
Well, that was cool. Can you do it again?
Yeah, that was great. That was great.
Wow!
I hope that camera's running. I really hope that camera's running. There's a bunch ahead of us too.
Yeah, I know.
There we are.
Whoa, somebody's right. Oh!
Get that one?
I think so. Oh my goodness. Woo!
Wow, that's something.
Woo!
We had seen them doing that one time, but we never.
Woo! Woo!
Wow, that was
Go, let's go
amazing.
follow them. Go, 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 go!
Let's follow them.
Woo!
There we go. They're moving a little faster now, but they're moving. Oh yeah.
So amazing. Hey, you guys. Wow. You guys are so neato.
Lost them up into the left or right, I guess.
Huh? There's one right there.
They're heading right for us.
No, they're heading their way.
Away from us. Okay.
Slightly.
There we go. Let's go on our speed. And put the brakes on to keep slow enough for them.
Aw, you guys are so neat. Woo! Whoa! Hi, guys! Whee! Whee!
Yeah. I don't think so. If they come up to the boats, I don't think so.
Yeah. I don't think they're very scared of us.
They're coming at us or going away?
Right
Going
there.
away.
And some ahead of
Yeah,
us.
some straight ahead. Big
Some
group
right
straight
next
ahead.
to us. You guys,
Nice
that's
group
cool.
over here.
Woo! He's behind us.
Fog. Yeah. Right between them. Escort.
Ooh, right in front of us.
Yeah.
Whoa! See his tail come all the way out? There's some over to the right.
Let's go over there.
So there's some right in front of us.
Oh, wait here a minute. Let's go along at sail speed here.
Whoa! Oh,
Yeah,
it's
that's-
choppy. Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Sorry, I hope you don't mind me calling you that.
I don't think he minds.
Do you mind?
He doesn't mind.
It's a nickname. That means it's lovingly given.
Yeah. Hey guys. How you
Hi.
doing?
They're right in front of us.
Oh, good. Yeah. Yeah. It's hovering there now. They're moving. I'm gonna spook them. Where are they going now?
We're gonna have to invest in some low. What?
Couple of them.
Nice, nice. Hi, buddies. Ooh.
Oh, nice.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
some over there.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, there's a whole bunch way over there, too.
Yeah. Neat. Right here. Yep.
Hi, buddies. Woo!
All right.
That's good, but it'll be blocked by the sail.
Maybe. No, we should get some good views though today.
Ooh.
Swimming. Not a master speed. Yeah.
Whoa. Woo! Wow. So neat.
Four of them.
Nice. 5, 6.
6 maybe. Guys?
Hello.
Turn back. Turning. Come on. No problem.
Following you.
Probably not.
Huh?
It's the tightest turn that I can do. Where they are. There they are. Just moseying along. There they are. Yeah. 3.
There's a boat coming out at 11 o'clock.
Yeah, they could go as fast as they
Wow.
want. but
Oh, yeah.
If they didn't want to hang near us, they wouldn't have to.
There's a bunch over there.
Yeah.
Bunch way past them.
Yeah, you're right. They're all kind of moving.
I know.
Slowly. Those other guys probably. Eventually.
There's a bunch.
Yeah. Another bunch. There you are. Check it out.
Where'd they go? He's right behind you. He's following you. He's following you. Whoops. Oh, hi.
They're not moving very fast. They could. They just don't want to. They just hang out.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
6 or 6.
That is so cool.
Yep. Oh, nice.
Watch out. Uh-oh. He looks like he's about to do something. Uh-oh.
What do you mean?
Keeps getting up and blowing.
Oh, I don't know. There's a little baby there, I think. Yeah, there's one. Yeah, there's a smaller one. Not, I guess I call it a baby, but it's
Hey, circle back and right to the right.
okay. Well,
Yep,
they're
there
right
they are.
here. Hold on. Patient. Sliding right ahead. Right there.
Woo!
Yeah, they're hanging around us.
Woo!
Just looking around. Just checking us out.
Woo!
Right.
He's right behind
Hello,
us,
guy.
too.
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. I love it. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Barely moving. We overran them just floating. I wonder if he wants to turn on the motor and get a whole family. The dolphin family. Might want a camera ride if you want.
There's some more up ahead too. Oh my. See him way up there?
Yeah.
See these guys right here?
See these guys right here. There's 5 at least. Wow, at least 5, maybe 6. Hey guys. Okay.
Wow. Woo! Woo!
Yeah, come up for a look. See?
Wow.
He's really moving. He's looking for the
Watch
wake.
out, he might be looking for the wake.
Yeah, he might be. He really moved. Yeah, they may ride this way. Let's see, they were moving.
See if they turn.
Well, relatively. Nope. No wake fun. There they are. 3 o'clock. They moved. Moved out of the way of that boat a little bit. Sort of went. Yeah.
Right in front of us.
Taking us home. Still have camera.
Seems to be.
Good.
The red light's blinking.
Good. As long as that flickers, I think we got a camera.
Huh? No, they don't stand still that long.
I'd like to.
That would be very cool. It's fantastic. Woo!
We're not going to go on that big boat.
Go straight.
Well,
So we know where this guy's going. We can go behind him. Right there.
yeah. Right ahead of us, I think.
Yep. Oh no, it's
That's a
he just got a fish though.
Oh, yes. He does. Yeah, look at him. I could get him in camera.
Good for
if he
you,
did, but I
buddy.
don't think I can get over him in time.
Well, don't make him choke his fish down.
Yeah, he is. Eating his fish all down that throat. Here he goes. Got one.
Good job.
Yeah.
Enjoy your dinner.
You can live another day. They're probably more south of us now by now. I guess we'll think about heading in if we don't see them anywhere.
No, that's a good one. Go that way and then kind of circle back around.
That's very cool.
Woo! Oh, I missed him. Whoa, watch out!
All right.
Circle that
Right
way.
under us. Okay.
Wow!
Little baby. Little bambino. I can put brakes on my wood. I don't know that I can. I really can't. That was seven. Yes, I could.
Oh,
Guys.
nothing behind us.
Yeah. Trouble is, they're not moving fast enough. I gotta slow down for them.
Circle around.
Hey, guys.
There's some over there too.
Yeah. There he is. Another one. Another one. Oh, they're here. They're with us.
Aw, you guys are neato.
Yeah.
Woo!
Look at you.
Woo! So cool. You guys are so cool.
Yeah. They're staying with us.
Y'all know how cool you are?
Yeah.
Woo!
Woohoo! Hanging left because they seem to be right over there.
Wow.
Hey guys, nice.
Wow.
Escort. You have really escorted us well.
Thank you. Thank you. Whee!
Guys. There's one of them anyway.
Couple of them. Aww.
Okay. We can go this speed. We're good with this speed. Thank you, guys. Okay. There we go. We have bad wind though. They're luring us into the dead wind.
Oh, they're not.
Yeah.
Whoa.
One over to our right too, I think. Is that a bird? Oh, that's the spooky guy. Spooky. This one. Just to our right. Yeah,
Oh my.
Alright, guys.
Wow.
Yeah.
You guys are absolutely bonifty.
Nice.
Woo!
Nice escort you got
Woo!
here. One more camera.
No, it's still going.
Good.
Still blinking at least.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can go slow. This is great. On the one way out, this is Spooky's way up. So Grandpa, come on. Yeah, hey guys. I'll try to swing behind them and go along with them, that camera side. There we go. There you go.
Wow. They're all over there too.
Yeah.
Bunch over there.